Hello people, so we are about to take the last module for today and the last module for this course. Yay! So now I want to talk about how to take good pictures of your products for your content. Pictures are very important for your business, especially if you run a product business. Pictures and videos, but because a lot of people have some concerns of pictures and videos, they are very important to let people see what you are selling and have a feel of it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do when you want to take a picture is that you need to watch your background. It's best to have a plain white background for most of your pictures because it will help to create a good contrast. Well, in fact, the first thing is that you don't even need a very good camera. All you need is good lighting. Okay, so most people will complain, oh, I don't have a good camera, this, that. If you have good lighting, and good lighting doesn't mean you should go and buy lights. By good lighting, I mean you could actually take your product outside and use the sunlight. With an okay camera, you could actually get something. But if your budget allows it, you could get a professional photographer to take pictures of your product for you. So for fashion items, you can use a model to show the good fitting of the clothes. But please, I beg in the name of God, use black people if you are targeting Africans or Nigerians. Don't be using any picture that has it just sends a wrong signal. It kind of like puts people off because automatically their mind tells them that this thing is not for me. So if you have food, if you are selling food, put the food on a plate and take a picture. Alright, pictures helps people to imagine this thing on them, imagine themselves eating it. So put the food on a plate, put the pictures on somebody. Let people see humans interacting with it to help their imagination and create a desire for them to want your product. It's wrong for you to use other people's pictures without their permission. Stop stealing people's pictures. If you're going to use people's picture, in the caption, put their handle. Let us know where you got the picture from. Because it will be, in fact, it's not going to be bad. Some people will actually mess you up because you took their content. So you need to be very, very careful when you make sure you have permission when you're going to take someone's pictures, because it's their own content, it's their creative products, it belongs to them. If you don't have a plain white background or a plain background, use any color you have. You can always use this app called Canva to remove the backgrounds for the product and then you now change the color. There's a way to do it. It's always very nice. So don't be like, oh, I don't have background, I don't have this. No problem. Put it in good lighting. Take it outside, put it in good lighting. You can use anything. And then in the app, Canva app, if you're using the paid version, of course, you can always remove the background. And then you have now changed the background to another color and create a nice color. Create your lighting right, please. Use good lighting. Your camera might be bad, but if you are taking a picture in a brightly lit place, in a place that has good light, the picture won't be so bad. It won't matter the kind of camera you have. And then if you have a good camera, maximize it. Use that camera that you have. It will give you something good. If you don't have good lighting, take your items outside. I've said that before. Alright, take it outside in the morning before the sun comes out and then snap it with a table. If you don't have a table, put it on a plain white cloth. Alright, put something, a cloth or so. Try and be very creative when it comes to fashion items, okay? Because people want to see what it looks like, have a feel of what the fitting looks like. So that's why a lot of times you use a mannequin or even a human being, a model, to be able to see the fitting. It will help you sell more. Shoot multiple angles and details, especially for fashion. Shoot the side, the front details, like show us some embroidery and all those things, especially because of the kind of people you are targeting. If you are targeting people that are particular about finishing, let them see the finishing. Take those pictures, spend your time. It's worth it, and that's what will differentiate you from every other person that does the same business as you. Make sure that when you are taking your pictures, there's no shadow in the shots. Make sure that your leg is not shown in that picture, the shadow of your head or your leg or the camera. Just stand in a way that there's no shadow at all. Okay, and then provide lots of high quality images of your most expensive products. Anything that you are selling that is very expensive, that is high priced, make sure that the picture you use for it is very good, very clear. Spend your time taking pictures of items that are expensive, and the same goes for videos too. Spend your time taking videos that are really intentional. So be very intentional and snap one item at a time. Don't go and snap everything, put all the clothes together and just snap it, maybe one hanger, put it. No. If you want to sell this dress, take a picture that will help somebody see the dress and know that yes, I want this dress. Choose the highest quality of the resolution in your camera that you can find. Some camera, look at the camera setting. Maybe and I plan the class on this, the practical class on this, maybe depending on if you guys are interested. Okay, don't zoom, please. When you're snapping pictures, don't zoom. Move closer. Instead of zooming, move closer. Move your camera closer, but please don't zoom when you're taking pictures. Okay, don't take any selfie picture of yourself when you want to sell something. They want to see the color, not you. Selfie will not do justice to that item you're selling, except it's a jewelry. Okay, but even for jewelry, I don't know, there are very creative ways. Look for the big names in your industry, people that are doing what you do, the big guys. Look at their products, their pictures, how they take their pictures. Let that inspire you. I don't think you should copy their style. Let it give you ideas on how you can go about your own. Turn off your flash, please. Turn off your flash. Don't use flash to snap pictures for products. Clean your lens, clean the lens of your camera. Okay, do not place your clothes on the floor. Don't put the clothes of people on the floor. The clothes you want to sell, don't put it on the bed. Iron it, please. Iron the clothes, iron it, iron those things, iron the clothes, iron it, iron the bed sheets before you put it on the bed. Don't just put it like that. If it's trousers, let it get to shoot. Iron, be intentional. Okay, take pictures of the products while in use. Videos are better for this, especially if you are selling things that people will use. Even if you are doing clothes, also include a video. Maybe just take 2 steps with it and do video. Let people do it. Do shakara now with this thing. Please take pictures or videos of the products on humans. If you can find someone that will model the thing better, it will even be better than just putting it on the bed. People respond better and can relate more to pictures like that. Pictures with human beings, you can visualize it and you can see how it will look on them. It will tantalize them, it will make them desire it and they want to buy from you. I hope this course, alright, made sense. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you learned a lot of things and you're ready to implement. This evening later we'll be discussing more on this. If you have questions, please feel free. This is the last lesson. Tomorrow, by God's grace, we will now do the bonus classes. It depends. Okay. If I sleep well and I'm in a good mood, we'll do the bonus classes. Well, I really enjoyed this and I hope you did too. I hope you got value. I'll see you later in the evening. Take care and bye.